Hello, friends. Before we get to the day's flip through, I would just like you to notice the beautifulness of my clean desk. I'm so proud. Anyways, today we're going through the final flip through of Emerson's Essays Christmas Journal. On this one, I didn't really do anything to the front except for support the spine with some fabric tape. The one thing that's my favorite is that, as you see as we go down, I added tabs to the edges. That's one of my favorite things. And there's a whole bunch of gizmos sticking up at the top. So that's something that's super easy to do. This is a vintage earring. Nothing great, all ratty and nasty looking with a little tag. Here's a tag from Tim Holtz with a little brad. That always helps if you can't use your grommets. These are the free background papers. I put a little piece of ribbon up here because the staples from the back were coming through and I didn't want to hurt my granddaughter, Emmy. There is a snowflake charm. We did the Nouveau crystal glaze on these tabs to make them more sturdy. Tons of Tim Holtz ephemera. This is the freebie you can get. All right, lots of freebies, lots of Tim Holtz. This isn't a super exciting page. There's a little reindeer on the side. I love this balls. I like the little balls a lot. It was hard to do. It was worth it. This was a leftover piece of the fabric tape. This is Tim Holtz fabric tape. Freebie, Tim Holtz ephemera. Beautiful. I think this is a Tim Holtz gem. You can, if you can't find old gems, you can find vintage looking gems. This is a fun little part. I put this piece of ephemera on here, which was a tab from the freebies. Tarted this up. This is, oh, this one's just a page, but there's an opening here to this one. Lots of ephemera there. Place to maybe put a picture. And then this is cute because you see this through the page. I just love flippies. This is freebie. This is adding some extra bits of the fabric coming out of the top. We have a Christmas tree on that one. I got those on Amazon for super, super cheap. We have just some cute pullouts here that are fun for people to look at. Little Santa Claus. Oh, the red, these were the hard red balls because they didn't have a border to them. This is fun. This was a sad little tag that we did embossing on. And the nice thing about it is this is open, so I could actually do use some vintage stuff. I may not be done. I'm done for this year. Christmas is over for me. I'm done. But that doesn't mean I won't ever revisit this little book. That's fun. There's lots of videos about this, how we did it, how we started the book, reinforcing the pages so that they would be, they're really sturdy now. Like this little book is rock solid. How you can make a peep through and flip out pages, because there's a bunch of flip out pages in here, 2 different ways to do that. And this just turned into such a fun project to do with you around Christmas time. I really enjoyed it. So hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.